take me around the town, hit the dive bars. 2-7 on my Jordans on the dance floor. Shot of tequila, 2 margaritas, and talking with that southern drawl. Used to the bass and now I'm wanting a guitar. Driving the range, but now I'm like in the yard. She sipping Bud Light, singing the last night. Damn, I might have fell in love. I'm Tennessee tripping, yeah, she got my head spinning like a rodeo. And yeah, that's the kind of woman make you call your friends up and say, I fell in love with a cowgirl. I'm following the curve like a back road. The way she fitted into Levi's make a man never wanna go home. I only came for a minute, now she make me wanna live it. Yeah, Southern charm ain't no joke. Thank God for the cowgirl. I fell in love with a cowgirl, and I ain't coming home. Started out, it's just a little bit of Southern buzz. Now she riding shotgun in my Chevy truck. American street, smoking tail lights. I guess that I'm in for more than just one night. Yeah, I'm Tennessee tripping, yeah, she got my head spinning.
Angie with Boots and Beats line dancing. I want to teach you Cowgirl Rockin' today. The song is Cowgirl by Parmalee, and this is a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner line dance. There aren't any tags or restarts, so let's get started. Here we go. Ready? We're going to start with our weight on our left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward and point, and then we're going to do a heel swivel. So we're going to go out and then bring it back in. We're going to kick, then we're going to step back on the right, 2 claps, back on the left, 1 clap. Okay? So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back, back. Now your foot's in the air. You're going to step back on it and hook your left. Step your weight back on the left. Scuff your right and do a pivot turn. Step, pivot, step, pivot. First 2 8 counts together. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the third 8 count, we're going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, and then we're going to do some hip sways to the right and then to the left. Then we're going to step together on the right, together, step together on the left, step together. Okay? So after our pivot, we're going to hip and hip, step together. So that's your third 8 count. Let's put all 3 together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hip. 2, 3, 4, step together. Last 8 count. We're going to step forward on the right, scuff our left, step forward on the left, scuff our right, and then we're going to do a V step. We're going to go forward and out with the right, forward and out with the left, come back together with the right, back together with the left. And that ends your dance right there. So let's start from, we're going to start from the hips. We went hip, hip, together, together, then step, scuff, out, out, in. Good job. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and point. 2, 3, kick, step back, back, step, hook, step, scuff, then pivot, pivot, hips, hips, step together, step, scuff, V-step. Start over, 1, 2, 3, kick, go back, step, hook, step, scuff, and pivot, then hips and hips, step together, step, scuff, out, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, step back, step, scoop, pivot, then hips and hips, step together, step, scuff, out, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, hook, step, scuff, pivot, then hips and hips, step together, step, scuff, Out, out, in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, hook, step, step, pivot, then hips, step together, step, step, out, out, in, bang. Good job, you guys.